Hello, my name is Araby and welcome to Growing Places. I'm here to introduce to you Project Sunflower, our campaign around mental health awareness and how horticulture and outdoor learning are beneficial to good mental health. With the uncertain year of 2020, we know just how important it is to practice mindfulness, and we hope to share with you the way various members of our teams at Growing Places promote positive mental health mechanisms. Spring is on the horizon and we want to share with you some horticultural activities we do here. At the end of February, we will be distributing sunflower seeds for you all to grow at home. Time to Talk Day is the 4th of February 2021. This Awareness Day is all about taking time to have those conversations about your mental health and well-being, as well as checking in with those around you. Your sunflower seed could be the start of an important dialogue. Please keep an eye on our social media pages for updates and activities, along with some really useful signposts for specialist external organisations. We have an open day planned for the 4th of June 2021, where we will be open for you to come in and visit Growing Places, contribute to our sunflower and our mural, and visit the hundreds of beautiful sunflowers that we've planted across the site. Stay in touch with us as your sunflower grows and share with us its progress.